Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Engineer Cinco from Clnp. Today guys, our subject is regarding trigonometry. Now, first topic I want to tackle to you is regarding the how to measure angles inside the coordinates or Cartesian plane. So, as you can see guys, I have a diagram. The x-axis and the y-axis having an origin 0 and 0 coordinates. Okay, this is based on the circle. Now there is a line, red line here drawn. We call it terminal side, and the x line is the initial side. Once we draw a terminal side, then it will create some angles. Okay, this one. Now this is our objective of how to understand and measure the angles of a triangle or in a Cartesian plane. Now, angles can be measured in terms of in two ways, either in degrees or in radians. Okay, so first is degrees. As you can see guys, in one revolution of a circle, there are 360 degrees as we know. Okay, so one RAB or revolution is called 360 degrees. For example guys, if this is a circle, our starting point here is just 0 degrees, this one. Okay, once we go counterclockwise 45 degrees, then after 45 degrees, the perpendicular between this horizontal line is a 90 degrees. Okay, now once we add another 45 degrees from 90, there will be an angle of 35 degrees form. So again, the horizontal one is 180 degrees. Then going down 180 degrees plus 45, there will be 225, and so on. This one 270 plus 45 will be 315 until you will reach at 360 degrees, which is equivalent to one revolution of a circle. So take note with this conversion guys. One revolution is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Now the second one is the radians. Where in radians, you can see here, same circle as we draw. Here we have 0. Okay. The equivalent radians of 45 degrees. This one guys, this one is a 45 degrees. The equivalent of radians for 45 degrees is in terms of, it will be 5 over 4. Okay, and this one is 90 degrees. The equivalent radians of 90 degrees is equal to 5 over 2 radians. Okay, same guys, the equivalent of 135 degrees is equal to 3 pi radians over 4. Same also here, 180 is equal to 5 radians. 180 degrees is equal to 5 radian or pi. And the equivalent also for 225 degrees will be 5 times pi radians over 4. Okay? And the 270, the equivalent is 3 pi radians over 2. And so on. And also this 315 is 7 pi over 4. 7 pi radians over 4. So take note guys, in one revolutions of a circle, there will be 2 pi radians. Okay? One revolution of circles, there will be 2 pi radians or 2 pi. Take note with this equivalent guys. This one. Now note guys, conversion between, okay, we need to take note with this one. Conversion between degrees and radians. Okay. (360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. We need to remember this one guys, okay? And the second one is 180 degrees is is equal to pi radian. Okay. This one, guys. Okay. Remember this one. This conversion. Okay. Once you encounter some problem related to the angles, know how to measure in the circle. Okay. Now, to understand further, I will give you some example problems regarding this conversion between radians and degrees. Okay. Okay, this is the examples what we have now. Our first example is conversion from degrees to radians. Okay, see guys, convert 50 degrees into radians. So how you will convert this one, guys? You can see here 50 degrees. Okay. How many radians? Okay, for 180 degrees, there are 5 radians. Okay. 5 radians over 180 degrees. Okay. So how much is one? 50 degrees. 50 degrees times pi. 50 degrees times pi. Okay. Equals divided by 180. So there are 5 pi over 18. Okay. 5 pi over 18. This is radians. Next, guys, number 2. Convert 80 degrees into radians. Okay. 80 degrees times pi radian over 180 degrees. Remember, our conversion factor between the degrees and radians is 180 degrees, okay? Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So how much is one? 80 degrees times pi, okay, equals divided by 180 degrees. So there will be 4 pi over 9. 4 pi radians, okay, over 9. Third, guys, convert 150 degrees into radians. 150 degrees times pi radian over 180 degrees. So can you calculate how much is one? 150 degrees, okay, times pi was divided by 180. So there will be 5 pi over 6 radians. 5 pi over 6. Okay. This one, guys, 320 degrees. How many radians? Okay. 320. Okay. 320 degrees. Okay. Again, same, guys, 5 radians. A simple conversion, okay, over 180 degrees. How much is one? 320 degrees times pi divided by 180 degrees. So there are 16 pi over 9. Okay? 16 pi radians over 9. Okay. Next, guys, convert 30 degrees into radians. Again, same conversion factor. We have 30 degrees times pi radian over 180. Okay. 30 degrees times pi, okay, divided by 180. So there are pi over 6 radians. This one, 225 degrees. How many radians, guys? So there will be 225 times pi radians over 180. Okay. How much is one? 225 times pi divided by 180. So 5 pi over 4 radians. Okay. This one, guys. How many radians for 270 degrees? So 270 times pi radian over 180. Okay. 270 times pi was divided by 180 degrees. So 3 pi over 2. Okay. 3 pi over 2 radians. The last one is 170 degrees. How many radians? 170 degrees, okay, times pi radians over 180 degrees. Simple conversion. Okay. So 170 degrees times pi divided by 180 degrees. So 17 pi radians over 18. Okay. See guys, how simple conversion from degrees to radians, as long as you remember the conversion factor of from degrees to radians. Okay. Now the second example will be the radians into degrees. Okay. And this is our example for radians, okay, into degrees. So first problem, we have convert 3 pi radians over 2 into degrees. Okay. So 3 pi over 2, okay, times. What is our conversion factor, guys? Between radians and degrees. Okay. So 180 degrees over 5 radians. Okay. So how much is one? 3 pi radians will be cancelled to radians. Okay. So the remaining units will be in terms of degrees. So 3 pi, okay, 3 times pi, okay, equals divided by 2, okay, times 180 degrees, okay, times 180 degrees, okay, divided by pi. So there are 270 degrees. Okay. Correct, guys? So I hope you followed, huh? Okay. Next is this one. Second examples. Convert 5 over 18 radians into degrees. Okay. So pi over 18, okay, times 180 degrees over 5 radians. Okay. So how much is one, guys? Pi over 18. Okay. Pi divided by 2. Okay. This one. No, sorry. Pi divided by 18. Okay. Pi divided by 18, because this is 18, huh? 18, okay, times 180 degrees times 180, okay, equals divided by pi, divided by pi. So there are 10 degrees. Okay. So the equivalent, guys, pi over 18 radians into degrees is equal to 10 degrees. Okay, third sample we have 3 pi. Okay, 3 pi radians, okay, times 180 degrees over pi radian. Okay, so cancel radians. How much, guys? How many degrees? 3 pi times pi, okay, times 180 times 180, okay, divided by pi. So there are 540 degrees. Okay. Let me double check, guys, ha. 3 pi, okay, 3 pi. Since 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees. And pi is equal to 180. Double check, okay. 3. Checking, okay. Pi. 3 pi. So 3 times, what is pi? 180 degrees, correct? So 3 times 180. 3 times 180 equal to 540 degrees. Same, guys. Okay? Same. So this is correct. Okay. Okay. Next example, we have convert pi over 30 radians into degrees. Again, pi over 30 radians times 180 degrees over pi radian. Okay, so how many degrees, guys? Pi over 30. Pi over 30, okay, times 180 degrees, okay, divided by pi. So there are 6 degrees. Okay, 6 degrees. Double check. Pi is 180, correct? 180 divided by 30. So there are 6 degrees. So this is correct, guys. Last example on how to convert radians into degrees is we have 5 pi over 4, okay, times 180 degrees over pi radian. Okay, also 5 times pi, 5 times pi, okay, was divided by 4 times 180 degrees times 180, okay, divided by pi, divided by pi. So we have 225 degrees, guys. Okay, so it's easy, guys, how to convert radians to degrees. So I hope you understand our example on how to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees, vice versa, as long as you remember our conversion factor between degrees and the radians. So it's easy, guys. So kindly like, share, and subscribe our channel para mas updated pa kayo sa mga future videos na isi-share namin. Okay? So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.